Hi, we're going to do something a little bit different today, or sort of kind of a little bit different. I want you to practice listening and comprehending. So yes, now is a good time to grab pen and paper ahora mismo so that you can participate. And basically, I know that some of you are taking some classes, and when you're in your classroom and you're listening to audio or videos and stuff, I know that some of it could be slowed down or it's just very textbook-like. And so I just want to read some sentences for you at more of a spoken pace, I guess I would say, and just help you guys just in general. So yo no voy a leer todas esas oraciones si yo estuviera una profe de la universidad, ¿me entienden? And look, también este video no es para personas que ya dominan el idioma, ¿me entienden? Que, bueno, ustedes están invitados y si tú tienes consejo, está invitado también. So let's go ahead and get started. I have 3 sentences. I'm going to read them. And I would say I'll read them twice, and I think after the second time, it would be a good idea to hit pause and try and write down what you heard and then hit play again. So let's do it. Ya están ready? Let's go. Okay, I have to pull up my little list. Let's do it. We're going to start with number 1. I hope you have paper ready or something ready to write. Here we go. Hay mucha comida en la mesa, pero el muchacho no come mucho. All right, I'm going to read it one more time. Hay mucha comida en la mesa, pero el muchacho no come mucho. So now's a good time to hit pause and write down what you think you heard. When you're ready, hit play. Let's go on to sentence 2 now. Here we go. Ella trabaja en la ciudad, pero vive en el campo. I will read it one more time. Ella trabaja en la ciudad, pero vive en el campo. So now you can hit pause and try and write down what you heard. Great. Let's do number 3 now. Last but not least. Here we go. Ayer yo visité a mi amigo y lo invité a tomar una cerveza conmigo. I will read this one more time. Here we go. Ayer yo visité a mi amigo y lo invité a tomar una cerveza conmigo. Perfect. So that's all 3 sentences. I guess you can hit play for a second if you need to. Write down what you heard. And if you've already paused and hit play, or if you're just ready to continue, I'm going to show you what I actually said. So let me pull up my screen for you so you can see that. And let's start with number 1 here. Número 1. Hay mucha comida en la mesa, pero el muchacho no come mucho. Número 2. Ella trabaja en la ciudad, pero vive en el campo. Número 3. Ayer yo visité a mi amigo y lo invité a tomar una cerveza conmigo. Perfect. That was all 3. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. I really need your support, so please make sure if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment, dale like, do all of that, por favor. Y también, let's be friends on Instagram. Come and find me. I'm going to leave my handle down below. Again, I hope this was helpful, and let's hang out some more. Los quiero mucho. Ciao.